Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best woodworking CNC routers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro Router. As a beginner in wood engraving, I find this CNC router machine quite easy to use. The Genmitsu 3018 Pro can cut wood, metal, plastic, PVCs, acrylic, and other materials with a 1.8-inch engraving depth. It's also compatible with GRBL and Arduino. Thus, you can get quick support, training, and lessons. I find the entire frame strong, hence you can't flex any of the parts with your bare hands. The spindle is 36V and operates at 9,000 RPM, enough to get things rolling. Besides, the CNC router machine supports a laser module for precision cutting. On the other hand, the offline controller plugin is quite handy. Plus, I found it easy to assemble throughout testing. Furthermore, the unit features an upgraded ABS case, fan, and adapter. Also, you get 10 CNC bits for plate clamps and 1 extension rod in the package of this wood carving machine. Number 2. Our second best pick is SainSmart Genmitsu Desktop CNC Router. For CNC routers that produce factory quality projects, look no further than this one. This machine is made to last and runs on open source GRBL. I usually don't need to connect it to my computer when cutting wood since it has an external display that shows readouts and provides manual control. Besides, if a project gets out of hand, this unit has an emergency stop button that's extremely accessible and easy to use so that I can shut down the machine immediately. On the other hand, its 5mm acrylic baffles protect me from flying pieces. Also, I use it with the laser module kit. The unit has CAD/CAM software which I use to create ideas and convert them into instructions, G-code, so it can understand and execute. The machine is pre-assembled and equipped with a Z-probe. In addition, the package had a screw box, a toolbox, and an offline control module. Number 3. Our third best pick is BobsCNC E4 Quantum CNC Router. This router kit is one of the models with top features for precise operations. The unit has a 5A motor and can reach a maximum spindle speed of 30,000 RPM. Besides, the machine has a large work surface which I find convenient when working on wood projects. This CNC woodworking router's X and Y axis is driven by a belt, while an ACME nut stabilizes the Z axis. Conversely, the spoil board features a Makita multiple speed router and a control system compatible with an Arduino microprocessor. Additionally, the machine is programmed with GRBL 1.1 firmware. Plus, the unit has home switches on the X, Y, and Z axes in a sturdy rail system. Designed to use GRBL 1.1 firmware on the Arduino Uno with repeatability of 0.002 to 0.004. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BobsCNC E3 Quantum Mini CNC Router. If you're looking for the best CNC router machine for DIY projects, count on this router kit. The unit is the best option for making the most of your productive time in the workshop. I find it perfect for woodworking since it generates the needed cutting power for every type of wood. This 3-axis CNC machine has a large cutting surface. Also, it has an Arduino-based microprocessor as well as a DW660 router that you can connect to a USB port. Additionally, it's equipped with Java software, making it compatible with Windows, Raspberry Pi, Linux, OS X platforms, and other machining software such as VCarve Pro, SLCAM, and Aspire. The unit has a DeWalt spindle and collection ports of 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch, respectively. This allows me to use straight and circular bits with diameters ranging from 1/8 to 1/4 inches. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is RATTMMOTOR 3018 Pro 3-axis CNC Wood Router. This is primarily designed for DIY carving enthusiasts and beginners. It comes with 42 stepper motors, a paper manual, and a USB flash drive with all the data. Also, it features a low-noise, high-quality quiet cooling fan that can swiftly disperse heat during operation. The spindle speed of this CNC router reaches 20,000 RPM and incorporates the stepper motors with short-circuit safety and offline recognition, making it ideal for small home woodworking projects. Moreover, the control board supports an emergency stop button and an X/Y/Z axis limit. I usually design and equip DIY accessories ideal for this engraving machine according to my needs. And though other CNC engravers require fiddling and futzing with the alignment, I noted that this unit does not. Besides, I was impressed at what one gets for the money since everything is included to get you engraving your projects. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.